And thank you. And thank you. And, and thank you. And thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, I'm going to show you guys a quick and simple makeup routine using one palette. I don't know if I'm just on this one palette street or what the case may be, but I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette. So I'm going to be using 3 shades that I've never used before from the James Charles Morphe palette. And so one of the colors I'm using is the 518. The other color is Halloween, and another color is B and which one? And No Beans. So those are the colors. I said 3, but those are the colors I'm going to be using to achieve this look. And it's when you see me do this look, you're going to see how it looks as though I'm trying to attempt a cut crease because of the way I apply the eyeshadow. But you will see that this is a simple go-to makeup routine using those shades, showing you how each shade is applied to blend out and transition to the next color. But guys, I do love how it came out. The original inspiration for this look was that I was going to attempt to do like the random number makeup routine, but I ended up seeing some colors that I wanted to try to use more colors that I don't normally use. So that is why you see these colors. I do like how it does make me feel a more subtle, natural look. So I do like how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial showing you how I achieve this eyeshadow. I do not show you my foundation routine because I just really want to focus on the eyeshadow during this tutorial. But guys, I will be back with a full makeup routine. But I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. At the end, please don't forget to comment some things you like, some things you want to see. Don't forget to thumbs up. If you haven't already, by the end of the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. But without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get into the video.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up.